Hey guys, it's Wyatt, the Roof and Solar Man Duncan with Valor Roof and Solar. I just wanted to come to you today because I've been hearing a lot of buzz about Tesla Solar. Tesla is a big name when it comes to solar. Elon Musk, he's a marketing genius. Let me tell you, he builds tons of awareness when it comes to Tesla Solar. He came out with a recent statement saying that trying to explain why Tesla solar power is so cheap, but he may have forgotten a few key factors to look at when looking into solar. So Elon claims Tesla is offering rooftop solar power for $1.49 a watt. But please note, this is for an installed system after the 26% tax credit is applied, the federal investment tax credit. Now, say you aren't eligible for that tax credit. Well, what he would be saying then is rooftop solar power is $1.88 a watt if you don't apply for the federal investment tax credit. But this tax credit really can make a big difference with the cost of a system. That's a difference of 39 cents a watt. When you put all these watts together, a 6 kilowatt system, an average size house in America, it's probably a 6 kilowatt system. That's a $2,340 difference from not being able to be eligible for that federal investment tax credit. Say you need more power, a 10 kilowatt solar power system. That's a difference of $3,900 just from that federal investment tax credit, that 26%. Please note that. He claims the solar power the panel should only cost 50 cents a watt. The mounting hardware, inventory, wiring, that should only be 25 cents a watt. And the install should be only 50 cents a watt. Depending on system size. This is a big word, system size. He says all these other solar companies, even me, I'm one of these other solar companies. He says I'm spending heavily on salespeople, advertising, complex financing, and they don't do this. What I'm doing, I'm spending my time and I'm investing in homeowners. I'm investing in, my customers, my clients. I want to help you make the right decision. Now, please note also, Elon did say, consider another 76 cents per watt to cover some additional soft costs. What are these soft costs? Operational, overhead, maintenance, repair. Is it engineering? Is it permitting? I don't know. No. But no matter what, Elon claims if you're looking into getting solar, you got to look closely at those details, at the fine details. So what I wanted to do for you guys, I got the energy products order agreement from a solar installer. I want you to look at number 7. Number 7 clearly says when this order secures when this order secures approximate delivery priority within your region, it does not constitute a purchase or guarantee that Tesla will sell you the energy products. The timing for delivery and installation of your energy products will depend on your queue position and when the energy products are ready for your region. So, say you sign up for this system, a week from now, today. Oh, I'm going to get, the 26% federal investment tax credit. This is what my system's going to cost. Well, when are they going to be able to install your system? If they can't get to you and they can't get your system installed before December 31st, well, I hate to break it to you, you're not going to get that 26% federal investment tax credit. It steps down December 31st. It steps down to 22% starting in January. So please be aware of that. Also say you have you got a medium-sized house, okay? But you're online, you're deciding what solar to go with, what system works for me. Well, on this website, they give you a small, medium, large option. Say you got a medium-sized house, but you're only using $60 a month. Okay, so I think a small solar system works perfect for my medium-sized house. Okay, that's great. But what about, are you considering an electric car in the future? Are you considering that hot tub you always wanted or adding an addition to your house? That's probably going to be more energy. If you have more energy, how are you going to power it? Well, are you going to need an electrical main panel upgrade? I hope not. Meaning, okay, there may be additional upgrades. What about if you have to do an electrical main panel upgrade? That's a couple $1,000s. What about the conduit line to install your solar system? Are those included in that $1.49 a watt or not? What about the permitting engineering, as I mentioned? If you got to upgrade to electrical main panel upgrade, that's a couple $1,000s on top of just the system. Say you want to lease a system versus owning it. If you lease it, you're not going to be eligible for those 26% federal investment tax credit because you don't own that asset that's producing electricity on your roof. If you own it outright or you have a loan, you get that equity value because you own that asset on your roof. Point is, there's lots of factors to consider when looking into solar. Deciding if it's right for you, you need to consider all of those details in those solar agreements. As I went over number 7, the Q line. These agreements are not all the same. What kind of service are you going to get from this company? What if a challenge were to arise with the performance of your system? Are they going to back you up? We want to give you quality. We want to give you good value. What's the warranty? What's the production guarantee? What type of inverters are you going to get? I go over all this with you when considering solar. It comes down to who's going to do the best job for you and take care of you in the long run. You need to consider what all you want the system to do for you. Are you considering a battery backup? Well, this battery technology, battery backup for solar systems, it's kind of rather expensive right now, and the technology is revolving, evolutionizing, and it's only going to get better in a couple of years. What I would recommend is getting a generator as a battery backup. That's half the cost of what these batteries are going for, you could say. These are things that I want to go over with you guys. You want a company that stands behind their product, a plan that's going to help them take care of their customers. That's going to be honest with you. I'm that guy. I'm going to be honest. I want to take care of you guys. I want to do what's right. Say you don't go solar. Well, your taxes are paying for somebody else to go solar because of that 26% federal investment tax credit. Solar is an investment and it's worth it. It comes down to the best value. There's always going to be somebody that can probably do it cheaper, but is cheaper always better? Say your system goes out, okay? So what you need, and you need it serviced. So what you're going to do, you're going to call the dealer. Ring, ring, ring. Could be Tesla, could be me, whoever. Here you go, the dealer. And so they're going to set up a service call, and they're going to tell you when they can get to your system, your house. We're 3-4 months backed out. Well, if they're 3-4 months backed out, unfortunately, you're going to be tied to the grid for those 3-4 months that you're waiting for your system to be maintained. So what all does that mean? You're going to be paying that electric bill again on top of your lease or your loan while you're waiting for your service to get maintained, while you're waiting for your system to get maintained. It's ridiculous, and I don't want to do that to anybody, but I have seen it happen. So you want a company that's going to operate with integrity, that's going to be there for you in the long run, that's going to take care of you. I want to be that guy. I just wanted to share something to think about when looking into solar. Say you are, don't want to talk to anybody about it. You want to do your research online. Look into those things I told you. See if it can make sense. If you can save money doing it and the numbers add up, let's do it. But please reach out to me for anything solar, renewable energy wise. I am here to help. I'm Wyatt, the Roof and Solar Man Duncan.